Do y'all put your onions in the fridge? Okay. Honey. Some fruits. Ooh, child. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Francia. Y'all, I've just got done running a few errands today, and today is Monday, so by the time you're watching this, it's definitely gonna be Monday. But yeah, so I just got done running some errands, and I need to pick up a few things from the store, so I need to do my weekly shopping, and I'm taking you guys along, so come with me to do my weekly grocery shopping haul. Well, grocery shopping, and I'll do a haul at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned so that you can see everything that I got from the store. I have a few things listed down on my list. I'll put it up on the screen here, but usually, y'all, when I go into these stores, I go overboard. I go in with one idea, knowing what I want, and I come up with 50,000 things. I need to work on that. It's a terrible bad habit. But if I do go overboard, I'm not going back to the grocery store at all for the rest of the week, maybe 2 even. So, enough blah blah blah. Let's get straight into the video. You guys, so I'm back home and let's get straight into this haul. So I picked up a lot of things. Let me show you what my child. Ah, crap, I didn't even pick up bananas. Wow. See, I knew I was forgetting something. First up, we got these Greek style yogurt. I like them. This one is more delicious. I could get me like a pack of that and actually eat it and it not go to waste. Lemon juice, finish, and Himalayan pink salt. Now, I'm gonna be the one to put you on. You may not know this, you may already have, but a lot of people don't know that the table salt that we be using, y'all, that is not good for you. That's not good for you. And you ever wondered why when you go to the store they're so cheap? Because it's like what's not good for you gonna be the cheapest, and what is good for you they're gonna price it at the highest. That's just like capitalism. But let me not get too much into it before I get flagged, y'all. So get you some pink Himalayan salt or some Celtic salt. I keep both in my cupboard. If you are someone who, when you drink a lot of water and you have to go to the toilet a lot, that's because your body's not retaining the water. Your body is not retaining the water because there's no mineral and there's no nutrients in the water. So if you put some Himalayan salt or Celtic salt in the water, or better yet, put it under your tongue and drink that water, your body is going to retain the water like it's supposed to retain it. So trust me on that and try it out and let me know. You'll go to the bathroom less and it's actually good for your body. You're actually more hydrated. Red onions, garlic paste, some prunes. Now your girl be constipated sometimes. It's a little bit TMI, but your girl be constipated sometimes. I think because I'm lactose intolerant. And is it lactose intolerant if you constipated, or is it one of them? My body don't do, like, I love dairy, I love me some cheese. Cheese gotta be on everything. And I've realized how when I go to the bathroom, it'll be like, you know, and I'm like, okay. I thought at first it was me eating spicy food, but it ain't spicy food. So I'm like, okay, well, you gotta pick your heart. So I got me some prunes. It's actually a good source of fiber. Fruits, green peppers, tea leaf, and also for my salmon. Onions, chicken soup, hard ass avocados, y'all. I hope this don't take forever to become me and become right. Some free range eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, bacon, evaporated milk, chicken soup, and honey. How much it came up to? I know y'all see a jar in here, but this expired in September on the 8th, y'all. So I gotta go in the bin. So let me take it out. halal hot dogs. I need to find, but the thing is, like, I'm trying to convert all of my meat into halal because I feel like the generic meat that we eat, like, there's a lot of hormones in that, and there's a reason why. You know what? I'm not even gonna go too deep. You're gonna say it's conspiracy, but when I eat halal meat, I don't feel as heavy as I do when I usually eat regular, meat. And I'm like, wait. By the time I'm done with eating the big meal, I have niggeritis and I'm ready to sleep. When I eat meat and it's halal, I feel normal, like, So I'm like, that's very interesting. So I'm starting to slowly but surely converting to that. Means I may have to give up bacon, or I change every meat except for the bacon, child. Because you eat bacon, you don't eat bacon, you still go die. But some mozzarella cheese, some halal lamb chops. But let me tell you something. This ain't cheap. Lamb chops was $6.21, y'all. If this was regular lamb chops, that's two something, 3 something. Some cheese, some Cajun spice, Old Bay, coconut milk, some red kidney beef, some tomatoes, some Danish biscuit. Do y'all put your onions in the fridge? I put it in the fridge sometimes, but sometimes I leave it out on the counter. But I realize when I leave it on the counter, it goes bad really quickly. Kind of the same with my potatoes, but I chose to put the onions in the fridge this time, y'all. I left the potatoes out. But do y'all put your potatoes in the fridge? Do y'all put your onions in the fridge? And also, do y'all put your eggs in the fridge? Because I sometimes put my eggs in the fridge and sometimes I don't. And right now I'm putting it in the fridge. But let me know, y'all. Let me know if y'all put your eggs, onions, and potatoes. Where do y'all put it to prolong the shelf life?